guys, we're here at the clinic of Doc Clea Barnaba Malait, my sister-in-law. Oh, close pa! Ay, close pa! Ay! Matulong ko sa SM. Hello! Wala pa doktora day? Oh, balik lang me. Thank you. Municipality of Palumpon, guys. Sister Jane, what's that? Pangalan na?
Wale, Civic Center.
Ah, Civic Center. Nasa Civic Center, guys. Tourist office. Mag-book dyan sa mga going to Kalangaman. Civic Center daw eh. Mag-basketball sila dito, ano? Basketballan. Basketballan, guys, sa mga party diri ah. Graduation.
Palumpon Civic Center.
Fiesta, Palumpon pageant there done. Okay, we're going to the dentist. There is Barnaba Dent Care. Dr. Clea, my sister-in-law. These are her awards, guys. She's the #1 best dentist in town. It's hard to get her appointments. Her appointment is lined up for 2 months. These are all her certificates. Waiting. It's very clean. Wow! Sana all.
See you later.
Bayang clinic, guys.
Bye-bye, Tijana.
Vlog lang yung botchong i-vlog tong clinic ni ano. Liag, okay. Vlog daw kung guwapa nga, beautiful dentist. She does braces, surgery for it. Ready na daw? Ready na daw ko mag-ano eh. Retainer. Basta na akong all retainer. Finish na ko cleaning.
Picture.
Ay, video na guys. The retainer now is no wire. Clear. Thank you, Doc.
Welcome.
So I have to wear it every night before I go and sleep.
Clear retainers.
There's cleaner. Wala na daw yung no more wire retainer. Barnaba Dent Care, guys. She does braces. It's her new innovated clinic. My brother did this, the cabinets. He got a new chair. Asa mo x-ray mo na siya dapat niya x-rays.
Open it.
Nice. Nice.
Sorry.
So mo na nagiputla na katong
Pag-surgery.
update na. Pag-surgery siya.
Ay.
Mo wisdom tot. Napoy drip di ay na.
X-ray.
X-ray daw, guys. So, sa mga impacted wisdom tooth. Impacted ako, impacted. So, alam ko, lumadlok pa. Nice. Nice, guys. That's yung mga, oh. Guwapa nga dentes. Ano mo? Dentist, guys. We're naka-dentist. We always go here every time we went for vacation. She does our teeth cleaning, cavities.